Hello dear students, good morning everyone. This is the second lecture containing D and E part related to first chapter of class 11 physics, that is physical world and measurement. In this lecture, today we will define the definition of two important fundamental units, that is definition of Kelvin and definition of ampere. Both the definition are very easy when you just learn two things. Just listen about the two things. Number one, that is 273.16, and number two, 2 into 10 power minus 7. These two things you have to learn out for defining the definition of Kelvin as well as the definition of ampere. So definition of Kelvin, just listen, very easy definition. Physical world and measurement. Kelvin, that is adopted as the standard unit of temperature. Standard unit of temperature Kelvin adopted as standard unit of temperature. 1 degree Kelvin is the fraction 1 upon 273.16. This is the numerical value that I explained earlier. You have to learn this one numerical value, 273.16. 1 degree Kelvin is the fraction of the thermodynamical temperature. Triple point of water. This is the definition of Kelvin. Very easy definition. Kelvin adopted as standard unit of temperature, and 1 degree Kelvin is the fraction. 1 degree Kelvin is the fraction, and the fraction is 1 upon 273.16 of the thermodynamical temperature of triple point water. Clear? Very easy definition. I think in this definition there is no any complex term, only one the simple value, that is numerical value 273.16, and with the help of this one you can define easily. Here 1 upon 273.16. 273 means that is a factor generally used except this point after value, converting the value of Celsius into Kelvin or Kelvin into Celsius, 273 degree. So here 1 upon 273.16. Then after this, the second thing, that is the definition of ampere. Very easy definition. And in definition of ampere, we will use what? 2 to 10 power minus 7. Just see how the magnitude 2 to 10 power minus 7 used in definition of ampere. Listen again. about the concept. When two infinite parallel conductor were having negligible cross section area, it means this type of cross section area if negligible, then the current is flowing through these wire is said to be 1 ampere, when and only when the current applying, or we say that the current carrying conductor applying a force, and the force here per unit length and having magnitude, as I explained earlier, 2 into 10 power minus 7 Newton per meter on each other, then the current is flowing in the given wire is said to be what? 1 ampere. And when your numerical value is not correct, then the definition is not correct. The standard definition of ampere, is the concept of force. Per unit length having magnitude 2 into 10 power minus 7 Newton per meter. Whenever the two parallel infinite length of conductor having negligible cross section area and also held one meter apart. Then the current flowing in the wire flowing in the wire is said to be one ampere. Is said to be 1 ampere. Very easy concept. Listen again. The standard definition of ampere based upon the concept of force, per unit length, having magnitude what? 2 into 10 power minus 7. That I explained earlier. This one magnitude is very important. 2 into 10 power minus 7 Newton per meter. Whenever the two parallel infinite length, here parallel infinite length, that is very important term, of conductor having negligible cross section area, and also held 1 meter apart, then the current flowing in the wire is said to be 1 ampere. Very easy concept. When you just listen one time, then everything will be clear. There is no doubt. Starting from Kelvin. Kelvin adopted as the standard unit of temperature. 1 degree Kelvin is the fraction 1 upon 273.16 of the thermodynamical temperature. The thermodynamical temperature of triple point. Here triple point, that is a special term. So listen about triple point. A special value of temperature and pressure. At which the water exists in all three forms. That is in liquid form, in solid form and gaseous form. Listen again. Triple point is a special value of temperature and pressure at which the water exists at all the three phases, in solid, in liquid and in gaseous phase. And the value of triple point of water, that is 273.16 degree Kelvin or 0.01 degree Celsius in that sense of temperature value, but in the sense of pressure, that is what? 5.46 or 68 something Hg pressure. Triple point clear or not? I think clear. Very simple concept. Triple means what? 3 position or 3 positional value of water, that is liquid, vapor and solid form. And then after this, ampere, the concept of ampere. The standard definition of ampere based upon the concept of force per unit length, having magnitude what? 2 into 10 power minus 7 Newton per meter. Whenever the two parallel infinite length of conductors having negligible cross section area, and also held 1 meter apart, then the current flowing in the wire is said to be 1 ampere. It means when the wire applying force on each other, either in case of attraction force, attracting toward each other, or in case of repelling force or repelling towards away from each other, when the magnitude of force is what? 2 into 10 power minus 7 Newton per meter, then the current flowing in the wire is said to be 1 ampere. And the condition is very important. Whenever the two infinite parallel conductor length held 1 meter apart and their cross section area is what? Also negligible. These are the two special definition of Kelvin as well as ampere. And next lecture we will define the remaining two fundamental units, that is one intensity and other mole. Very simple definition of both also. And then after we will solve out many numericals in this chapter based on dimensions or measurement concept. So that's all for today. Have a nice day.